Welcome back, math enthusiasts. In today's video, we will embark on a journey through the life and achievements of one of history's greatest mathematicians, Leonard Euler. Prepare to be amazed as we delve into the remarkable contributions of this mathematical genius and explore how his work shaped the world of science. So, let's jump right in. One of Euler's most famous results is Euler's formula, which relates 5 fundamental mathematical constants: e, the base of the natural logarithm, pi, I, the imaginary unit, 1, the identity, and 0, the additive identity. Euler's formula states that e caret I pi plus 1 is equal to 0. This formula is considered a remarkable result as it connects different areas of mathematics, including exponential functions, trigonometry, and complex numbers. To understand how Euler arrived at this formula, let's delve into his thought process and the mathematical concepts he utilized. He started with the power series expansion of the exponential function. This expansion represents an infinite sum of terms where each term is obtained by raising x to a non-negative power and dividing it by the factorial of that power. And then next, consider the power series expansions of sine and cosine function. The trigonometric function sine and cosine can also be expressed as power series expansions. These expansions also represent infinite sums of terms. The alternating signs in the terms of the sine expansion alternate between positive and negative. Now, we replace x in the expansions of sine and cosine with ix, where I is the imaginary unit. By substituting ix for x, we introduce the imaginary unit into the expressions. Since I square equals -1, we can simplify the expressions further. Here, we use the property that any odd power of I can be expressed as I, and any even power of I can be expressed as -1. Therefore, we can rewrite the equation as e to the power ix equals cos x plus I sin x, and this is Euler's formula or Euler's identity, which relates the exponential function, cosine function, and sine function using complex numbers. It demonstrates the profound connection between exponential functions and trigonometric functions and is a fundamental result in mathematics. Euler is considered the founder of graph theory, a branch of mathematics that deals with the study of graphs and networks. He introduced the concept of Eulerian paths and circuits, and Euler's formula relating the number of vertices, edges, and faces in a polyhedron. One of Euler's famous contributions to graph theory is his solution to the problem known as the 7 bridges of Königsberg. The problem involved determining whether it was possible to walk through the city of Königsberg, Prussia, crossing each of its 7 bridges only once and returning to the starting point. Euler's solution laid the foundation for graph theory. Before we wrap up today's video, here's an interesting fact for you. Astronauts experience space fever, or space adaptation syndrome, during their initial days in space due to the absence of gravity, causing nausea and disorientation. The world's oldest known living tree is a bristlecone pine named Methuselah. It is over 4,800 years old and located in the White Mountains of California, USA. The Great Wall of China is not visible from space with the naked eye, contrary to popular belief. It's a common misconception.